That's not good. What up world, it's BK here. Thanks for joining me and Dee. In today's Maintain Your Daily, I'm gonna teach you how to solo bleed your brakes. There's a few things you need to know about this setup. You have a 2-pump side, and then you have a 2 hydraulic system side. And then you have a cap. This goes onto the nipple of the hydraulic system. You have a gauge to show your pressure reading, and then you have a pump to create a vacuum. If we seal this side and start pumping, this is the back of the wheel cylinder, and you can see here it has a nipple. So you can see as we pump, we start to build pressure. Now what's going on is once we have a pressure, it's essentially like when you're pedal bleeding and you're pressing down on the pedal while this is closed, and then you release it. And then they hold it down and release it. That's building up pressure in the system, and then this pressure pulls it out. So it's the solo way to do it. I've found that most bleeders are gonna be 8 mil. That's true for this 2007 Toyota Yaris as well. See, we're starting to get more of a steady stream, but there's still a lot of air. I think it's getting close. Almost got a full stream, boy. All right, now you can see we have a full, this is all hydraulic fluid. There's no bubbles now, so we know that we can close the bleeder. You definitely want to do is make sure that you top off your fluid after bleeding your brakes. So as you can see, we're below that max line. Also wanted to just quickly walk you through the bottle method. If you want to, you can take a brake bleed kit and hook it up like this into a bottle, and then you just hammer on the brakes until this line fills all the way up with fluid, because the air gets trapped in here and then works its way out into the bottle. And then as long as you have a solid line on your input and your output, then you should be good. Oh yeah, much better. Almost no play now. All right, time to do some sick left foot braking. Congratulations, now you're armed with a couple of methods on how to bleed your brakes solo. If you want to see me make more videos, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.